Hey everybody, welcome back to Creating Scenery for Microsoft Flight Simulator. Today is Fun Friday. I'm just messing around with things and having some fun, seeing what kind of trouble I can get myself into. So basically what I did today was I took a sectional of the Cleveland, Ohio area, and we have Cleveland Hopkins Airport here. We got Burke Lakefront here. We have Akron Canton, and basically there's Mansfield. These are actually sceneries that I've created, except for Cleveland. That was I did the original conversion for Cleft Development for their Cleveland airport. I got them started, and then they've now taken it over, and it's free on flightsim.to. But I'm not going to take any credit for the Cleveland airport because that's in their domain now. But I helped them get started by converting some of their models and stuff like that. But anyway, that's their airport. I take no credit for it anymore. Anyway, but Cleveland, Burke Lakefront, I created. Mansfield Airport, I've created. And Akron Canton Airport, I've created. And I've done some other scenery in this area, such as there's a NASA Space Environment Center here south of Sandusky that I created scenery for, and right outside of Norwalk, Ohio, there is the Summit Raceway. I created scenery for that as well, all available for free on flightsim.to. But anyway, I was just messing around with this sectional, and I decided, I want to see what that actually looks like in the real world, so to speak. So I'm going to turn off the sectional. I created the airspaces, the Bravo around Cleveland and the Charlie around Akron Canton, and I'm still working on transparency stuff to make it look right. But anyway, just a quick and dirty. So I created a scenery file, a scenery project called the Airspace, and I put my model into that space. So let's zoom in, because I don't have the LOD set for certain things, so they disappear. But anyway, you'd be almost in orbit if you're this high, I guess. Not really. All right, so zoom in, and there they are. They show up. Just playing around. But if you were flying into that space, I see some uses for this. If for a flight school or something like that, put those airspaces on there and just have some fun for the pilots and stuff like that. But like I said, this is just for fun. You guys might say, ooh, it creates the airspace. I got the airspace around Cleveland Hopkins at their different elevations for the Bravo and the Charlie. I didn't do the Echo or Delta or anything that's in the area. But there's an airplane right there coming in. Right there, we're in the sim. So there's a airplane going around there. And there's one right there flying. I don't know what airspace they're in, but nope, they're in I think that's E. If I look at the sectional right, no, they're low enough that they're probably in G. But anyway, there's one right there. He's in that airspace. But I just thought you guys would have fun taking a look at this. But this is what according to the sectionals, this is how the airspaces are laid out for the Bravo and the Charlie in the Cleveland area. I froze. My image freezes when I'm in the sim, but you guys, like I always say, you don't need to see my ugly mug. But yeah, there's airspaces. I put airspaces in a scenery file and to get a good look at it. Anyway, I just hope this was fun for you guys, and I'm not publishing this or anything. It's just for giggles. Anyway, subscribe if you want. Hit the notification bell for more tutorials. I'm working on Timken Hangar in Akron Canton Airport, and I will continue those in full next week. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and if you guys are feel inclined, buymeacoffee.com/myphysicalworld. You guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next video. See you guys later.